Hi, I'm Marina with Evolve Real Estate and Property Management, and today we are talking about evictions. Specifically, what is the proper procedure for an eviction and what can it cost you? But before we start, I wanted to let you know that we are so very proud to have extremely low eviction rate at Evolve. This is partly due to the way we check backgrounds on tenants. We do a very thorough background search before we place anybody in your home. But that's a completely different topic. Let's get back to evictions. Basically, an eviction is a procedure ordered by courts to remove a tenant from your property. The reasons to evict a tenant could be different. It could be not paying of the rent, which is the most common, or any other lease violation. Evicting a tenant over non-payment of the rent is fairly straightforward. Around the 4th of the month, we would post a non-paying tenant with a 3-day notice. The notice basically states that you have 3 days to pay the rent or you have to move out. When the initial 3 days are up, we would get in touch with you, the homeowner, and discuss all the options. If you do decide to move forward with an eviction at that point, we would turn the file over to our attorney. An attorney would go to the county and file the documents. About 5 business days from the filing, there will be a court date. And this is where it can go different ways. If the tenant does not show up to the court date, you win automatically. A default judgment is entered with a specified date on when the tenant needs to be gone out of your property. However, if the tenant doesn't voluntarily move out by that date, this is when you will need to get a sheriff involved. Basically, we would get a sheriff to physically remove the person from your property. And this can take anywhere between 7 to 30 days. It just really depends on the county that the property is in and the workload of the sheriff's department. A different scenario is when a tenant does show up in court, or they are being evicted for something other than non-payment, or perhaps they filed a counterclaim. At that point, it can really add up because our attorney is now forced to represent you and charge the hourly rate. It can cost you anywhere upwards of $2,000 if it goes that round. A basic eviction for non-payment is on average $500 a month. We did want to offer our landlords a extra protection in case of an eviction. So at Evolve, we offer a low-cost, optional eviction insurance. It's just $20 per month, and it will protect you up to $2,000 if we ever have to evict your tenant. That's really all I have for today. If you guys have any other questions on evictions or any general property management questions, we're always here to help. Don't hesitate to give us a call or take a look at our website. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.